Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 11. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 24 cm and 28 cm and inner dimension is 16 cm and 20 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. Here you see this is given as 28 centimeter from here to here, right? And this is given as 20 centimeter. That means this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter, right? Here also you see that this is 16 centimeter. That means this is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter because the total length is 24 centimeter. 16 plus 4 20 plus 4 24, right? Here you say 20 plus 4 24 plus 4 28. This is 4 centimeter. Therefore, here from the figure we can find out that 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 area area of section area of section ABEH A B E H is equal to area area of section area of section DCFG DCFG. That means you have to find the area of this trapezium ABEH, and you know that area of a trapezium is equal to half into A plus B, that is sum of parallel sides A plus B into H. Therefore, we are getting half into A plus B. A means 16 parallel sides, that is 16 plus 24 plus 24, and height is given as 4. Here you see this is 4, this is 4. That means we are getting 1 by 2 into 6 for 20 carry 1, it is 0, 2, 3, 4, 40 into 4, that is 2, 2 is 4, that is 80 centimeter square. And this section is same, that is 80 centimeter square, right? I will find this section, right? Here area of section this section AHGD is equal to AGD is equal to AHGD is equal to area of section this one BEFC that is equal to area of this trapezium. Here we know that area of trapezium is half the sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides is one is 20, another is 28. It is 20 plus 28 plus 28, and height is 4 into 4. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2 into 8. This is 4, 48 into 4. That is 2 1 2, 2 2 4. Then we are getting 8 is 16, 6, carry 1, 48, 1, 96, 96 centimeter square, right? That is 96 centimeter square, right? We find the area of each section. Again you see, you have to find only the height. Here you see, total is 28 centimeter, right? And all the width are same. Since this is 20 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. 20 plus 4, 24 plus 4, 28. Okay. In the same way, it is 16 centimeter, therefore it is 4 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter. And this section is equal to this section, and this section is equal to this section, right? Therefore, we got the area of a trapezium, that is half into sum of parallel sides a plus b into h. The half, this is 16, this is 24, and height is 4, right? So we are getting 80. Therefore, the area of this section is 80 centimeter square. This is also 80 centimeter square. And area of this section is half, the sum of parallel sides is 20 plus 28 into 4. That is, we are getting 96 centimeter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.